galing kami shop. So, mag-unboxing tayo. Let's go! I'm so excited. Today, open muna natin yung light. Ito yun. Ito. Yan. Dito ko siya nilagay. Yan. So, let's go! So, i-fast ko muna kasi, ano siya? Madali siya maubos. I got slime. God. Okay. The most of slime. I got. And the last is a Kuromi. And that's all. And you want some unboxing? Guys, if you want some unboxing, comment below kasi ito siya, is slime po to siya. Tingnan nyo. Yung texture niya po ay nagle-liquid. Like that. Kasi galing kami Robinson. Bye!